Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Summer.
Hello roadies. Today is another foodie review that we will be doing today. And it's basically a blind test. I was talking to the family and we were talking about some of our favorite drinks. And we have all agreed that we really like mango flavored drinks. And so I went and got 3 different brands. And we're going to try and see which one is our favorite one. They do not know which brand is in what cup. I do. So we will just start at the beginning. Wally is going to give Summer her cup. He's going to pick up his cup. I'm going to pick up my cup. This one has a really kind of a light yellow color to it. It's got this orangey with some mango drinks. But here we go. Let's see if we like it. It's really watered down. There's no mango flavor at all. I mean, sure, it's a refreshing drink that you can't say, ooh, yeah, this is mango. I mean, there's hardly any kind of mango at all.
I tried one more time, but
Okay, yeah.
Right there.
Okay, this one is more of a orangey, almost a peachy type color of mango. Alright, here we go. That one's a lot better. It's very nice mango.
hold this.
Just put it down.
What
You can finish it after we're open. Okay, that one's a good one. Yes. So, takes number 3.
Dad?
Ready? It's okay. He's getting it. Okay, here we go. That one's just kind of so-so too. It's better than the first one.
Tiny bit of sour.
Yeah. It's better than the first one, but it's not as good as the middle one, is my opinion. Is that what you think too? Okay. I'm going to pause it real quick because I forgot to get the containers over here by us. So I'm going to pause and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here's what it ended up being. Never heard of this brand before, so we thought we'd give it a try. Zuko is the name of this one. They have it on special, 2 packages for $5, and there's different flavors like mango and pineapple and watermelon and cantaloupe. And since I was doing the mango taste test this time, I grabbed the mango one. And this was the one that we just thought was really weak. So maybe I'll have to do more scoops of what the instructions said to see if that would help it, because the instructions said only 3 tablespoons for a whole liter of a jug. So it's very possible it just needs more stuff in it than what the directions say. Number 2, which ended up being our favorite for all of us, is the Snapple brand. That one is called Mango Madness. And that ended up being the winner of all the 3. We had tried that one before, and we enjoyed it, but now we know for sure that it is our favorite brand of mango drink that we'd like to have. And number 3?
The second place.
Yes, the second place one ended up being our favorite one.
Yeah.
Okay, what I'm trying to say is the second drink ended up being our favorite
No,
one.
this is the second one we thought was the second best.
Yes, this one is the second best. Since we weren't impressed with the first one, this is the second best one that we liked. It's the Arizona brand. It's called Mucho Mango. And it's alright. They were doing a pinch for the mango drink. And the price was really good too. It was only 89 cents for this can. And it is a 22 fluid ounce can. It was on sale for $1.99. It is 32 ounces at $1.99. on that Zuko one too. We're selling these packets 2 for $5. So there you have it. That's our opinion for the mango flavor of drinks that we like to drink. Snapple one. Huh?
Yep.
Alright. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us. And please remember to always take the scenic route. See you next time. Bye-bye.